Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to connect Python with MySQL and we'll be running SQL queries as well. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open the MySQL workbench. So I have already installed MySQL in the system. If you do not have MySQL, you first need to install it. So I'm going to create a new MySQL connection and I'm going to name this as MySQL connection, and afterwards I'm going to provide the user, which is root, and I will provide password. So the password is admin. So this is the password you set while installing the MySQL. Okay, so I gave admin as my password. So here I'm going to provide this password and I'm going to click OK. So before clicking OK, I'm going to test this connection. Yes, successful. Okay, port 3306, user is root, password is admin. Click OK, and now I'm going to click OK. Okay, now click OK and I'm going to open this. So I have already created this project database. Sys is the database you get when you first time install the MySQL. Okay, inside this project database I have few tables like department, employee. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to create a virtual environment. So I'll open a new terminal. Okay, then I'm going to open a command prompt in order to create a new virtual environment. So let me just open a command prompt from here and let me just delete this PowerShell window. Okay, so in order to create a virtual environment, you're going to type this command python -mv env so this is going to be the name of my virtual environment. Just copy and paste this command over here. Okay, enter, and just wait for a while until this command is done and dusted. So it may take some time. Okay, now it is executed successfully. Now the virtual environment has been created successfully. Now I'm going to install this the mysql connector. Okay, just copy and paste the command here, pip install mysql-connector-python, and you have to click enter. Okay, okay, it is running. No, it is not started yet, and just wait for a while until this is done and dusted. Okay, it has been successfully installed. Now the next step is to create a new Python file. So from here I'm going to create a new Python file, myprogram.py, and I'm going to use this code over here. So now let me just copy and paste it over here and let me just explain it. Okay, first what I need to do, I need to provide few details. The host name is this, which is the local host. Okay, but before that I have to include this connector which I have just installed, mysql.connector. Then I have to establish a connection. For that I need to provide few details like host, user is root, password is going to be admin, and the database is project. Okay, so look, this is my project database which I have already created. Now what I need to do, so this is check if connection is successful. Okay, if it is successful, this is going to give me connected to MySQL successfully. Okay, then afterwards, in order to fetch data from a table, first you need to create a cursor object. So this is how you're going to create a cursor object. Cursor keyword equals to conn.cursor. Then in order to run SQL queries, cursor.execute select star from department. So department is my table in my project database. So database I have already provided. Then you're going to use this function cursor.fetchall. This is going to get all the data from the table. Okay, then you're going to print your data in the terminal. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to use the for loop. At the end you're going to close the connection. Just save this and just run this program. So now I'm going to run this program. I will click run Python file. Okay, and this is going to print all the data which is there in the table. Okay, let me just query my table from here. Let's see what result I will get. Select star from department. Okay, it will be project.department. project.department. Now execute. Look, I have got 2 columns. Okay. I hope you have gone through the process of connecting Python with MySQL. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and give your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.